Welcome to our updated guide on how to view settings on Gmail using your Android device. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Begin by opening the Gmail app on your Android device. Gmail is a popular email platform that allows you to manage your emails and settings conveniently on your mobile device. 2. In the Gmail app, locate the three horizontal lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. This icon represents the menu where you can access various options and settings within the Gmail app. 3. Tap on the three horizontal lines icon to open the menu. From the menu options that appear, find and tap on Settings. This will take you to the Settings section, where you can customize and adjust different aspects of your Gmail account. By following these simple steps, opening the Gmail app, tapping the three horizontal lines icon, and selecting Settings from the menu, you can easily view and manage the settings of your Gmail account on your Android device. Exploring the settings in Gmail allows you to personalize your email experience, adjust notifications, manage accounts, and more. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in navigating and accessing the settings on Gmail effortlessly. Enjoy customizing your Gmail account to suit your preferences and needs.